Good morning, children. I am Preeti Kumar. Welcome to the online computer class. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minutes silence to pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well being. Let's get started. Children, in the previous session, we have learned about how to use MS Word tools. So now, for that matter, we need to open the MS Word application. We have learned also how to open MS Word. Now today I am taking the help of search box. Here I will type Win Word. As soon as type Win Word, the Word application will appear over here. So I can just click on it and my this screen will appear. From here, I will choose the blank document because I need to open a new file. So simply I click on it and I will get this application on my computer. This is the way to open Microsoft MS Word. Before I start, let us take a look what we have done on the last turn. So now I'm going just minimizing this window and opening the other window. So this is the document in which I have written what we have done on the last turn. So we did the quick review of word processor, starting MS Word, Microsoft Word, and what is a cursor? A vertical line which is blinking on the screen is known as cursor. As you see here, cursor is blinking. Entering the text means how do you enter the text in the MS Word, and also we had learned about wrapping the text. What is the wrapping the text? If the text is not fitting in the current line, then it automatically moves in the next line. So we had learned all these things. Now today in this session we will learn, children, how to create a new document, close the document, save the document, and also open our saved document which we have saved earlier. Any document for your future use which you have saved, how you open that previous file. So we will learn through the file tab also, and we will also learn the shortcut keys for those things. We will learn about shortcut keys. What are the shortcut keys? A shortcut key is a particular key or key combination that helps in quick execution of specific function within a program. So these many shortcut keys we are going to learn. Okay, so now one by one we will see first how do we perform all the actions through the file tab. This is the file tab. Now I want to create a new file. So new document, you can say file also, no problems. Okay, so simply click on the new button here. Just click on the file and then choose the new option, and then it will show you many templates. So we need to take a blank document from here. There are many templates available, but you can choose blank document because we can start our work in of our choice. So this way, you see, I have opened a new document on the top of my previous document. So automatically Windows give its name document 2. Okay, as you know, when you open any new file, it always opens with the document 1 temporary name. And but now when you open this file, because already one file is there, one document is there, so you can, when you use this option, then it will automatically gives the another number. So it has become document 2. Now, how do we close this document? Now, I don't need this document, plain document here. So, simply click on File tab and say Close. Which option you will choose? Close. So, you see, now again I am on my first document and the new document which I had opened, it is closed now. Now save your work. All the children knows how to save the work. They know the shortcut key also. I know. But let us learn. So simply you go to file and say save. Click on the save. Your work will be whatever is on the screen, that will be saved. Even you can use this icon also. This is a floppy icon, and you keep on pressing in between your work to save your work, because in case if the light or electricity goes off, so your work will be saved. Okay, now I want to um, open my previous file. Let us see. Now we will try to open the file which we have used last turn. So simply I'll go to File tab, say Open option. Okay, and then I will choose from here the file which I had saved last time, chapter 3, class 4. So you see, my previous work is open. The previous document is open. So this way I can open my previous document. If I need to change something in this, I can change it. If I want to copy something from here, I can copy it. Or if I want to just read something, I can read. Okay, so this way you can open your old previous file with the help of File Open option. Okay, now I don't need this file, so simply you can close it from here also. But because no, we are using document close, I don't want to close the application. So just simply say close. So you see, again I am back to my previous document, and the old file which I had opened, that is close. Now let us move to the shortcut keys, and we will use all these shortcut keys one by one. This is very helpful method when we use shortcut keys. It makes our work very quick. Okay, now as I told you, shortcut key is a particular key or key combination. So here, if you want to open a new file, you need to use these two key combination, Control plus N. Here plus means does plus sign, not a plus sign, means together. So now I want to open a new file. So now without using File tab, just simply I will press the Control key on my keyboard, and just you see the change, and I press the N key. So you see the new document 3 is open, because already previous I have opened, then it was document 2. So now computer gives its name document 3. Okay, so but now I don't want to write anything on this document. So simply I can close this document. How? So for the closing the document is, yeah, with the File tab, File close, but here Control plus W for work. So W. So you see my file, the document is closed. Okay, so we have done Control N and Control O. Now I want to save the file, save the document. So what we can do? Simply you can save, press the Control key. Everyone knows this. Control plus S. So your file will be closed, or your work will be, sorry, saved, not closed, saved. So Control S is save. Now even I told you can do it with this floppy icon also. Now control W, you have learned. Control O, what it does to open a document. So it opens your previous work also, whichever file you want to open. So now I'm going to press Control plus O. So see, the same window appeared which you have gotten with the help of File tab. Automatically your cursor, this open is highlighted. Now here you can choose whichever file you want to open. So suppose I'll open that file only, chapter 3, class 4. So see, the same file has come back with the help of shortcut key. Now again I want to close this document. So which key should I press? Yes children, Control plus W. Simply the document will be closed. Now, children, you can see one more key combination is there. The one more shortcut key is there. Alt plus F4. F4 is a function key. So on your topmost line on your keyboard are the function keys from F1 to F12. So you have to press the F4 key together. So what it does, now my work is over and I want to close my this window application. So this Microsoft Word application. So what should I do? Simply first, now just once more you see the work of Control W. Now I want to close this document. So I can close this document also. Now I'm pressing Control plus W. See, my document is closed, but my application is not closed. My work is over. Now I want to get out from this MS Word application. So what should I do? Simply you go to File and say here Exit. Okay, but now because we are using shortcut key, so simply we press the Alt key and plus F4. Even I know children, you know how to close the application from here. As you see on the top right corner there is a close button, cross button here. So you can click on this also, because now we are doing with the shortcut key. So we are using Alt plus F4. So you see my file is closed. My MS Word application is closed. So thank you children, as we have reached towards the end of the today's class. So now let us all observe 2 minute silence for the peace within and outside and for everyone's well being. Thank you children.